Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. You can always be the light even in a dark place. It's really important to know that you are worthy, to know that if you put your mind into something, you can absolutely achieve it, no matter what the situation presents itself. So if you're currently going through a tough time where you feel like you can't see a positive to any situation, where you feel like you're beat down or you just don't feel like yourself, it's important to remember that you can be the light you want to see. The world is an ugly place. There's so much uncertainty, whether it's in love, into relationship. It all boils down to how you want to perceive the world and how you want your world to be, because you can spend hours and hours looking at what's wrong with everything, looking at all the faults within the people in your life, picking out what's not so great about you, picking out all the negative things about yourself, pointing out what you hate about yourself, and not realizing that the way you think has a lot to do with how much light is within your life. So if you only choose to see positivity, to see positive in every situation, if you decide, you know what, this is a negative situation, I'm going through a tough time, I'm going through a breakup, I've lost my job, you know, I'm gaining weight, I'm not in the best shape or form, whether it's mentally and physically, it's up to you to realize, hang on a minute, I can brighten up my day. You know, yes, the things that are happening right now, what other good things are happening in my life right now? That's the question you have to ask yourself. What else is happening besides that situation that you're currently in? And you'll find that there's so many different things to be grateful for. There's so many different things to appreciate. There's so many different people in your life that mean well, that have your best interest at heart. You know, the more you program your mind to see these things, you can be the light in any situation. You can find the light in any situation. As cliche as it sounds, you just have to look up and you see the stars. You see who the people in your life are. You see the supportive people in your life, and at the end of the day, that's all that really matters. We can all focus on darkness as long as possible, but what does that really bring? How does that positively impact us? How does that impact the people around? You can choose to be in pain, or you can choose to be the energy that you want to see. You can choose to be the one that projects a ray of sunshine, the one that brings happiness not only to yourself but to people around you. You know, it doesn't mean taking happiness. Everyone has something that they're grateful for. Everyone has that something that, you know, means the world to them. And when you're going through a tough time, when the world is dark, when it seems like no one's on your side, what is that one thing, or what that one person, or whatever it is that always brings light to you, that always makes you smile no matter what? And that's where the light. So it's all about perspective, and it's all about realizing that you can find positivity, you can find light in every situation. And don't forget that although you may be going through a hard time now, or you feel like things are so hard and you can't see what's on the other end, you can always find the light in darkness, and you can always think of that one person, or that, you know, one thing, or whatever you hold dearest to your heart, one memory that always, you know, brings joy to you, and that will be your light in every single situation. Okay, thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next one.